So let us answer this question. Is it thinkers or doers? This argument, we can continue to drive it, but I'm going to state my own opinion on this. As a data analyst or data scientist, you actually need to be a doers at a certain stage of your career. Especially as a beginner, you need to be very skillful enough, technical enough to demonstrate that you can do this thing and get things done. And you should be able to do that for a very long time. And at a certain time, you then transition to be a thinker who can think and solve problems and leverage on the skills of the doers to get it done. If you are thinking that maybe being a thinker is good at the early stage of your career, I'm not sure that will convince people enough that you're good, because in this field, it is doers. It is people who can get their hands dirty, get the work done, that get most credit. I'm going to say it that way because your work should speak for you. There are additional soft skills you need to learn that can actually make you magnify or make your work visible enough for people. But that doesn't mean doers are going to be used as against some people's thoughts. That when you're a doer, you're going to get used by someone who is thinking and just directing you. But I think it's a mixture of both. At the early stage of your career, you should be a doer. And as you continue to advance across the ladder, you can then add more skills that makes you become a thinker. And a combination of these two skills will make you a perfect VP or CTO or CIO or CDO. Just name the title and you're right there.